Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Halloween look. First of all, I don't know why I put these teeth in prior to me doing my makeup. I guess I just wanted to get this done quickly because I never done this before. And this is my daughter, Serenity. Ren, say hey.
Hey.
She wants to be a part of the video, guys, so you just have to excuse her.
I gotta have an apple.
Okay, yeah, she ate an apple. So, besides these teeth, my eyes are very irritated because I want to do the green eyes with this look, and I feel like I'm talking retarded.
Yeah.
But I want to do the green eyes
Mom,
with these looks so that I can
Mommy,
give the
white.
White?
Right.
Okay. So whatever Ren says. But anywho, I wanted to do the green eyes with this look to give it a vampy feel. So we're doing this Halloween look. So my eyes is crying. Please bear with me, y'all. So I'm going to use the matte book today, and I'm going to use their red shade. I'm going to put it on my outer crease and blend it out with this essence brush. So today I'll be more personable with y'all and let y'all know stuff about me, like my favorite color and stuff like this. Pardon me, it's 1 in the morning and my baby trying to stay up with me. So I really don't understand why she does this. Like, I don't. But I'm gonna need you to stop playing with my stuff, friend. Okay. So I'm gonna take this red shade with this essence fluff brush or whatever you call it, blend brush. I'm gonna put it in my crease.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna just keep laying it until it gets the pigment I need to get. Oh, and on my eyebrows, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, as y'all can see. And this is the matte book. Oh no, I'm sorry. The primer is P. Louise in shade 4. I got it off the Morphe website. So while my child interrupts my video, please bear with me while I'm blending my eye.
Come get my mommy. She's not playing.
Why you want them to get me?
They want you. They want you. Look. They want you.
Okay. I'm gonna do black and Sephora palette right here. Do it again on the left. This is my left. Get my left side. I'm sorry, y'all. Before I got here, I told my friends that I wanted to chill with them for like 30 minutes to an hour, right? So that 30 minutes turned into 2 hours and into 3 bottles of wine and 2 shots of liquor. So I'm kind of loose, you know? It's okay. Where's your other palette? Here, right here. No, you need this one. Look, it got some more colors. Let me show you. You have a lot of colors you ain't even used yet. See? There you go. You're welcome. So now it's time for me to prep and prime my face. So I already used Julep Rose Hip Oil. They don't sell it no more, so now I'm using Revolution Pro Blaze Blur Primer. I'm so mad, y'all. I can't talk like I want to. I wasn't thinking because I was drinking. You know, and that's what happens whenever you want to drink, you know, and just do what you want to do. And I'm mad because also my hair not done, but I made a commitment to y'all that I was gonna get my life together, you know, and I was going to do another YouTube video and be misconsistent. You heard me? So here I am, being misconsistent and being unorganized, trying to do my stuff. And I don't really talk like this, y'all. It's because these damn teeth in my mouth. I can't really pronounce my words like I want to. So, I'm moisturizing my face with this Blur Primer. Trying to make sure it's everywhere, you know. And also, I really like, Crayon case stuff, and she got me the Honor Roll highlighter. So I'm going to place blush on my face, and let's see, I guess I'll use something soft. So I'm going to use Sexy off of the Morphe palette. It's a nice blush for me. And I know the vampire look is supposed to be dark, but I'm really trying to make it glamorous. So I'm going to use that particular highlight. And it's very beautiful, y'all. Like, look at that. Okay, y'all, this is looking bomb. Did I put enough blood like around my... Okay, maybe I need to put a little method. y'all. And just like that, I'm done. Ow. Y'all want me to bust a little move? Peace out, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my channel again and tuning in with me. Hopefully, y'all learned a little something today. All these products I use is extremely bomb. Like, I'm so happy my auntie got me the Honor Roll highlighter. I love these fangs. I love Milani Cosmetics lips and their lip liner. I absolutely love the matte book. Y'all already know NARS foundation is my favorite. And Morphe setting spray is my go-to. So, and then BB Cosmetics lashes, this is my shit. Nobody got shit on it, you know what I'm saying? But anywho, I'm going to post pictures soon, and I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for supporting me. We'll have another video in the next week and a half.